If GOG is not working for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get GOG Galaxy or your GOG games running again. We'll start with the easiest troubleshooting steps first, then move into a safe repair method that won't erase your games, and finally, I'll show you how to bypass the launcher and open your game directly. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is close any background GOG processes. Sometimes GOG Galaxy looks closed, but a service or leftover process is still running in the background and causing the launcher to freeze, fail to open, or get stuck loading. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. If you see the simple view, click More Details so you can see everything. Then go to the Processes tab, or if needed the Details tab, and look for anything that starts with GOG. Common examples are GOG Galaxy or Galaxy Client Service. Right-click each one you find and choose End Task. If there are several related processes, end all of them one by one. Once that is done, try launching GOG Galaxy again and see if it opens normally. If GOG is still not working, the next step is to run a web installer update. This is a very useful fix because it can replace missing or corrupted launcher files without deleting your game library. First, download the updated web installer from GOG support. Make sure you are using the official download so you avoid unsafe files or fake installers. After it downloads, run the installer and pay close attention to the installation path. You want it pointed to the same directory as your current GOG installation. That way, the installer can detect what is already there and repair the broken files instead of starting from scratch. This method is especially helpful if the launcher is missing components, refusing to update, or crashing on startup. Let the installer finish completely, then open GOG again and check whether the issue is fixed. Now let's move on to another common cause, interfering software. Sometimes antivirus programs, Windows Defender settings, or third-party optimization tools can block GOG from launching correctly. These tools may think the launcher is suspicious, or they may interfere with updates, downloads, or background services. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus, Windows Defender, real-time protection, or any system optimizer you have running. If you are using a firewall or security suite, check whether your GOG has been restricted there as well. After disabling these tools briefly, try launching GOG again. If it works, then you know the problem is being caused by one of those programs. In that case, you can turn protection back on and add GOG to the allowed list or exclusions so it can run without being blocked. If the launcher still refuses to work, there is one more practical workaround you can use right away, and that is bypassing the launcher completely. This is useful if you just want to play your game and GOG Galaxy is being stubborn. Open File Explorer and go to the folder where your game is installed. In many cases, this will be inside C/program files, x86, GOG games, followed by the name of the game. Once you open the correct game folder, look for the application file, usually the .exe file for that specific game. Double-click that file to launch the game directly. This skips the GOG launcher entirely and can help you keep playing while you continue troubleshooting the main issue in the background. So to recap, if GOG is not working, first close all GOG-related background tasks in Task Manager, then run the updated web installer from GOG support to repair the installation without losing your games. After that, check for antivirus or optimization software that may be interfering, and if needed, bypass the launcher by opening the game's .exe file directly from its install folder. One of these steps usually solves the problem. If this video helped you fix GOG, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.